Welcome to our channel How to IT Tech to PK. How to use Whatfont identify font on website. I use two methods and it is only one extension that identifies what font on website. This link will be provided in the video description and this text will be provided in the description. I directly open the Chrome web store URL to install Whatfont on my Google Chrome browser to identify different fonts on different websites. And it is a very good Whatfont Google Chrome extension provided by chenjinliu.com, and rating is very good and users are very huge. You can install it very easily. I already installed and this is the logo. When I click on this and this is the text Helvetica, and on the YouTube click again and the Roboto, and in the Google search click on the Chrome extension Whatfont, click again, click. This is font is Roboto. Click on the extension again and this is another website Poppins. This font name is Poppins. Hope you like this video. And another method is directly open the website. Open the original website of this Chrome extension identify font on different websites. This is the original developer website and how it is behave. Install it from the Chrome. I already installed it and you can use it easily in your web design projects. Like this video, share this video. Meet you in the next video.